Arizona's startup ecosystem is one of the fastest growing in the nation. Our growth over the last decade is measured by the billions, with more than $2.1 billion in venture capital activity recorded in 2021.
We are super excited to launch our office in Arizona with our first vertical, which is advanced manufacturing. And we will look into finding the best startups that can help large corporations.
So to launch the Arizona operation, we're selecting 5 founding corporate sponsors. We're grateful for the sponsorship of these sponsors who represent the diversity and global prominence of industries operating here in Arizona. These sponsors include Intel, Honeywell, Raytheon, and 2 exciting partners to be named soon, representing Arizona's rapidly expanding semiconductor and automotive sectors. This is the start of something truly wonderful. As far as we've come over the last 10 years, we know the sky's the limit with partners like Plug and Play as our partner in our community.